Hi, this is R. Vishal. This is our project for the Splunk A hackathon. Our project is Splunk Agent Readiness Engine. So Splunk recently introduced the MCP server, which allows any AI agent to communicate to apps present in Splunk base. But it has one problem. Currently, most of the apps don't have inbuilt semantic descriptions in the MCP server. So when an AI agent tries to call the saved searches, it has to reverse engineer the SPL queries and determine the appropriate tool to call. Even though it calls the correct saved search, it requires a lot of tokens. Our project automatically generates MCP descriptions for any installed app in your Splunk Enterprise. I'll show you the demo. Uh, this is before using our tool. We will use Cloud Desktop to connect to Splunk Security Enterprise app, which is installed in my enterprise account. As you can see, the MCP server is connected. As we give the prompt, Cloud tries to find the available tools. Yeah, it gets the knowledge objects. Yeah, it says the results are large because the default description file doesn't contain semantic descriptions for all the saved searches. Yeah, at the end, it correctly identifies the tool which we want to call, which is the generate metri environment count. This is the tool we wanted to call according to the given prompt. Yeah, uh, this is our tool. As you can see, it automatically shows all the Splunk app installed in your enterprise account. You can select which app to generate descriptions. So we are selecting Splunk Security Essentials. This takes some time, so I will skip this loading process to show you the result of our tool. So yeah, this is the report produced by our tool. So the score is generated based on how many saved searches have inbuilt descriptions, and it also shows how many saved searches and macros are present in the app, and it also shows the number of dashboards present in the app. This is one of the saved searches. It generates the plain English description of what the saved search is used for. As you can see, there is no description present earlier. Our tool has generated the MCP description. This generation is done for all the saved searches present in the app. Some of the saved searches have built-in descriptions, but our tool enhances it. So these are the macros present in the app. It also shows the arguments of the macros. And these are the dashboards. Uh, it shows the dashboards which are yet to be converted to the new standard dashboard studio v2. So the output of our tool is a dot configuration file. So this configuration file consists of all the semantic descriptions generated for all the saved searches. So what we have to do is download this configuration file and paste it in the local directory of our app, and we have to rename it as saved searches.configuration to override the existing configuration. Now I will run the same demo earlier, but this time we have rich semantic descriptions for our agent to find the accurate tool. The same prompt is given, but this time the agent finds the correct tool with less time, as it has rich descriptions in plain English. This reduces the amount of tokens required to call the tool. In an corporate environment where multiple tool calls are done over a span of time, this would reduce the token usage a vast amount. As you can see, before and after the tool, uh, the agent called the appropriate save search that we want. But so now I will show you the configuration file that our tool generated. So it also includes the steps for initiating this process. Now I will show you the token difference between the before and after using our tool. So before using our tool, the agent has to process the SQL queries to find the accurate tool to call, as it does not have any semantic description beforehand. So for all the saved searches, we have given the before and after token count used by Cloud desktop. The reduction percentages are also given in the table. We are approximating around 75% token reduction after using our tool for calling the correct saved search. So yeah, thank you.